Today we're heading into a J. Crew factory store. It has men's, women's, and children's clothing in it. Factory store meaning the price tags are going to say suggested price or comparable price, but everything is a minimum of 30 to 60% off. You just have to look at the posted signs depending on what you're purchasing. This women's department was very well laid out. It had lots of blazers and suiting options that were kind of on the a little bit more casual side, I would say. And then, of course, really cute, preppy looks, including accessories and socks, all the way down to even some loungewear in the very back of the store for women in particular. Men had everything as well, even down to boxers and briefs that were really cute for the different seasons. And again, the prices are fair because even though you're looking at a price tag, it's always on sale. They did have nice suiting options for men, and they are sold as separates, but of course you could make a really nice work wardrobe, and then you could have some casual pieces as well. As you can see, these were 40% off. They had accessories sprinkled throughout the store and then a designated area in the middle by the cash registers. I just thought these earrings were super cute for the season. The children's section was absolutely adorable. Again, lots of seasonal pieces, but then others that you could add into any wardrobe, or if you were needing maybe new sizes for your children, this is a great place to shop for that. They had really cute school appropriate outfits, jeans without rips, and some really fun tops. These little shirts were adorable for boys in the boys section. I really thought they were adorable. They even offered suits in the boys section as well. As we make our way into the dressing room, I will have links to everything listed below for the things that I try on. They will be in the description box and over on my LTK shop on the LTK app. I grabbed about 5 tops and 2 pairs of jeans. They're actually the same jean, but in 2 different sizes. Since this is my first time in a J. Crew factory store, I just really wanted to get a grid on how the sizing works for all of these items, and I even grabbed shoes. I kept one of my tennis shoes on and one of the new shoes just to see what the length was on these 30-inch inseam full-length wide leg pants, which are 99% cotton and have a button fly, showing them in a size 29, but online they come in 24 to 35 and also in petite. This pink sweater is a cotton blend. It comes in multiple different colors. I'm showing it in a size medium, and I would call the pants and the sweater both true to size. I do like the fit on them, and these are the sizes that I would normally wear. The shoes do the same thing. I would say true to size with these dress shoes. However, for them being faux suede, I think that you can do better. I had a naturalizer pair that were real leather for about the same price. Moving into this white sweatshirt, which was back in the other department, I'm personally just going to say I'm not a fan. It was very comfortable, but it is saying that it is $89.50, of course, being a minimum of 40% off of that. But I'm showing that in a size medium. It really fits kind of large, and it's just frumpy. I didn't like the neckline on it as well. It does not lay comfortably. Then we have this really cute button-down shirt with the red heart. It is saying $79.50 for full price, but again, on sale. Then it is also 100% cotton. That is one thing I did like. However, as a size medium and me being a pear shape, it was really kind of tight in my shoulders. I do love the look of it, and even watching this video back, I think it fits nicely, but I was pulling when I was pulling my arms to see how they fit in the shoulders. And I just think that I might have needed to size up if I wanted to comfortably wear it on a day-to-day basis, but I was worried that it would get frumpy in other areas. Other than that, though, it is so cute, but I would definitely, if I were you, consider sizing up, especially if you have broader shoulders, and then just really see how the fit works for you. Otherwise, I think it's a really fun way to kind of dress up your jeans, or you could even wear them underneath a jacket for work. This high neck button down striped shirt was also very cute. It fit very similarly to the other heart striped top. And this one again was a size medium, but I would consider sizing up for the shoulders as well, especially if you have broad shoulders. I do love the neck detail on this though. It's very feminine and it is on the conservative side, but I do like the overall fit of these shirts. And I do think that they are tucked in and cut in a very feminine way. So I do like them, especially for workwear. Here it is, just tucked in again. I like it with jeans. I think that it could really be pulled off, and especially with some really cute loafers, really a nice look. But again, I think you would really want to size up or at least try on a couple different sizes. Moving into this really cute sweater, it's 100% cotton. I'm actually showing it in a large. So yet again, you have to size up on things because I think the medium would have just been a little bit too small. Has a tiny bit of a puff sleeve on it. Could easily be dressed up a little bit for a semi-casual workplace, but then of course looks cute with jeans. These are the size 30 in the jeans. And yes, they fit as well, but I'm still gonna stick with the true to size. I think I liked the 29 just a little bit better. These were big on my waist. I hope you liked this first impression and try on. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you soon.